So in this video we'll tell you how to download and install the DG Technologies DPA 5 software for your dual CAN unit or your Pro model. So first we'll open up a web browser and we'll navigate to the DG Technologies website. Once you're there at the website, you'll want to hover your mouse over Resources and then click on Downloads. Next, scroll down a little bit and click on DPA Products, and you'll see now it's DPA Family Products. And you can download either the DPA 5 Pro or the DPA 5. Either one will work. I have a DPA 5 and I'm going to click on the download for DPA 5. Okay, when the download is completed, click on the up arrow here and it'll show it in the folder. And there's the setup program for DPA 5. So click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes. I'm going to close my browser as well. And then I'm going to install. Click here for Install. Then click the next button here. There's the folder that's already going to create automatically for you in the C directory or C disk directory DG Tech. Just click Next. Wait patiently for the installation process to begin. And when you're prompted, just click Yes or OK or whatever is affirmative during the installation process. Okay, and now I'm going to click on Finish, but there's still more to do. Click on Next. Click Next, same folder. And here you can select if you only have the dual CAN, uncheck the Pro. If you only have the Pro, uncheck the dual CAN. If you have both a dual CAN and a Pro, leave both items checked. I'm going to uncheck the Pro since I do not have a dual CAN, or I do not have a Pro, I have a dual CAN. And wait patiently for the install. Okay, now you come to the registration screen and you want to fill in all these fields, so forth, and here in my case it's a DPA 5 dual CAN. Type in your serial number and then click Register. Since I'm already registered, I'm going to click Cancel on this step. And then you click Finish. Now next you want to plug in your DPA 5 to your vehicle diagnostic port so that it gets power. And then last you want to connect it to your OBD2 port. And then from there we want to go into some Windows utilities, and we're going to look and see that if the Windows system recognizes this device. And we're going to go to Control Panel here within Windows System, and I'm going to look for the Device Manager. Now if you have category or small icons, you want to click on large icons. There it is, Device Manager. So you click on Device Manager, scroll down and see the USB diagnostic tools here. Click the arrow and there you see it, the Dearborn Group DPA 5 here in this file. So that concludes that it is connected properly, that the PC recognizes it. Next we're going to run the adapter validation tool. You can find it here on your desktop, or you can go into the DPA5 folder here. Notice this has firmware updater, config utility, and other config utility. But we want in the utilities, this is where we're going to find the adapter validation tool. So click on the adapter validation tool. I'm hooked to a heavy-duty truck simulator, so I'm going to click on MDHD. And there's my unit. It's a DPA5 multi-application, and I am connected over USB. Next, I want to click on Test Connections to begin the process to verify that there's communication between the laptop through the DPA5 and to the vehicle that you're connected to. Okay, here's the test results. I have green here. Also have green on CAN 1, 2500 kbaud, and CAN 2, 500 kbaud. I've detected a J1708 diagnostic link, but there's no data to be read. Then I can click here to end the test. This concludes the installation of the DPA5 software on your laptop Windows system. Thank you.